In this video, I will guide you on how to turn on or off TCL AC without the remote. This is going to work out for any model of TCL AC you have, whether it's an inverter or non-inverter AC, and regardless of the horsepower of the AC. Now, the process is quite simple. What you want to do is to basically open up the first compartment of the AC, which is basically this plastic cover over here. And the way you open it up, usually from the left hand side, you're going to notice that we have a little opening just over here where you can actually pull out the first compartment of the AC. So what you want to do is to basically just open it up from this side. Just pull it a little hard and it should automatically open. As you can see, mine is already opening, so I will just open it like so. And now what you want to do is to locate the power button, which is usually on the right hand side as well. You can see the on and off button over here. To power on or power off your TCL AC, all you just have to do is to tap on this power button over here. Just tap on it once, and once you tap on it, it should automatically turn on your TCL AC. By default, the TCL AC should be set to about 23 or 22 degree, and basically to turn it off, you want to do the same thing. Just go ahead and open up this first compartment as well, and then you also want to just tap on the power button again, and automatically the AC should turn off. And I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.